Solve x squared plus 81 equals 18x. So the first step in solving a polynomial is setting it equal to 0. So that means I need to subtract 18x from both sides. So I'll go ahead and write the left side in order of highest power of x to lowest. So I'll move my negative 18x over here to have it be next, and then I have a plus 81. Again, what I did is I subtracted 18x from both sides, and it landed right here. So now I have a trinomial. So to factor my trinomial, x squared will be x times x. Notice that 81 is a perfect square. We have 9 times 9, where the outsides give me 9x, the insides give me 9x, so to get a negative 18x, they would both be negative, which would also mean that when I multiply them, I get a positive 81. Finally, these two are the same, so when I go to solve this, I don't need to set them both equal to 0, because they're both going to have the same solution. So I'll just set one of them equal to 0. Adding 9 to both sides, we see that our solution then is x equals 9. Now looking back, we see that we should have two answers. Well, in this case, it's the same answer twice, and some books will go ahead and write that this is a double root, which means it's the same solution twice. But I'll just write it as the solution then is 9.